Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the solid fuel. So as we have seen in the types of fuel, we have seen the solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. So let's have a look towards the solid fuel. In that solid fuel, we are going to see the coal. Now what is actually is coal? So coal is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock with a high amount of carbon and hydrocarbon. Now you know what actually is the coal. Coal is nothing but it is a highly carbonaceous matter and which contain high amount of carbon and the hydrocarbons, like we can see in the coals, various coals. The coal is classified as a non renewable energy source. It is non renewable. Why? We are not able to renew it. Why it is this? Because it takes million of years to form the coal. Because coal is formed as per it takes million of years to form it. Here is a picture of a coal. Here you can see the coal. As I have told you in the definition itself, coal is a combustible. It is a black or it is a brownish black sedimentary rock, and this rock it has high amount of carbon and the hydrocarbon. Where is coal found? Now you know that coal is a highly carbonaceous matter which contains a high amount of carbon and hydrocarbon. But where the coal is found? India has abundant domestic reserves of coal. Most of these are in the state of, now in India, where it is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. So these are the states where the coal is found. Now in solid fuel we see coal. Now as I've told you before, it is a highly carbonaceous matter, means the amount of carbon is much more, and that has been formed as a result of the, how is coal formed? It is because of the alteration of the vegetable matter under certain favorable conditions. So this vegetable matter is being converted to coal because of the certain favorable condition. Due to some condition, this vegetable matter is being converted into the coal, and that coal contains highly carbonaceous matter, means it contains lot of carbon. Now actually this coal is a carbonaceous matter, but most of it, what it has, it is chiefly composed of what? Carbon is the main thing. Also it has hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Beside this, it has a non combustible matter, that is the inorganic matter. Okay, so we have seen that what is non combustible matter, like ash we can say, or the clinkers, that is the non combustible matter which is there. So we have seen the most probably the coal is consist of carbon as the chief constituent, then the hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and inorganic matter. It may contains the ash and the clinkers. So we know that what is coal, where the coal is found, but how actually the origin of coal took place. So some geologist has put forward the theories that how the coal is formed. The first theory is called as the soot theory. The second is called as the drift or the transportation theory. Now the first is the soot theory. Now what do you mean by it? The coal is formed because of the vegetation itself. The great purity of many coals seams can be explained by this. So according to this, we can say that the coal is formed because of the vegetation, means there are many vegetables, okay, and they are because of that the coal is being formed, and this can be explained by The drift theory. Now, how it is? According to it, the trees were uprooted and transported to rivers, to big lakes and other deep depressions which got filled and blocked. Exactly. See, whenever there is a formation of the earthquake takes place, what happens? The trees are uprooted. Uprooted means what? They are being taken out from their place when the earthquake takes place or the flood takes place. The trees are uprooted and they are transported to rivers, म्हणजे पाण्यामध्ये ते वाहत जाणार आणि एक डीप डिप्रेशन म्हणजे एक 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 खोल असा भाग असणार आणि त्या खोल भागेमध्ये जाऊन ते काय होणार तिथे जमा होणार. Means the trees are being uprooted and they are being transported to the rivers, lakes and the deep depression. Now this deep depression is got filled and blocked. So when this depression, because of the uprooted trees, it get filled and it get blocked. These huge piles of wood then got buried and underground. So after some time or some days, what we say, the wood are get buried and they are underground. Means on that deep depression, the woods are being buried, and on that layer, what happens? The mud, the sand is being filled and it is totally get buried. See here the diagram you can see here. See, these are the trees which can be uprooted. Uprooted means from the root they get cut off and they are filled in the deep depression. Valleys सारखं असेल ते जिथे की ते fill होणार. Now when they are being filled in the depression, what will happen? There will be high temperature, there will be excessive pressure, and when there is absence of oxygen and presence of bacteria. The cellulose material of the wood, means whatever the wood which is being underground, it get decomposed and there is a liberation of the gases. So when these um, trees, they are being uprooted, they are being buried. बरीड म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळतही असेल की जेव्हा ते मातीच्या आतमध्ये जाणार आणि काय होणार तिथे तिथे आतमध्ये जमिनीमध्ये तिथे खूप सारं टेम्परेचर असणार, हाय टेम्परेचर असणार. देर विल बी प्रेशर एक्सेसिव्ह, जिथे ऑक्सिजन ऍबसेंट असणार म्हणजे नसणारच. अँड देर विल बी द प्रेझन्स ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दीज व्हॉट विल हॅपन, जे काही वूड असणार त्याचं ऑटोमॅटिकली देर विल बी डिकम्पोजिशन अँड देर विल बी द लिबरेशन ऑफ गॅसेस, आणि त्याच्यामधून गॅसेस हे लिबरेट होणार जसं की CO2 और अँड द मिथेन. The great thickness of the coal seems to appear reasonably on the basis of this theory. Now, because of these, what happened? There will be the appearance of the coal. We can see. Here you can see these are uprooted. They are being इथे deep depression मध्ये जाणार. इथे खाली there is a mud. Now there is a pressure, temperature, heat. ओके, ड्यू टू विच देर विल बी द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोल. इथे जे खाली बघणार आहे तुम्ही तिथे हे डार्क कलरचा दिसतो बघा, त्याला एन्थ्रासाइट नाव दिलेलं आहे. सो दॅट इज अ कोल. नाउ दीज आर द डिफरंट लाईक पीट, लिग्नाइट, ब्युटेमिनस अँड एन्थ्रासाइट. सो दीज आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ द कोल्स विच आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड ओव्हर हियर. आणि हे कोल कशामुळे फॉर्म होणार वेगवेगळे? बिकॉज ऑफ द टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, ऍब्सन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन अँड प्रेझन्स ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया. हा जो वूड असणार त्याचं काय होणार आहे? डिकम्पोजिशन होणार आहे आणि तिथे काय लिबरेट होणार आहे? गॅसेस लाईक CO2 अँड द मिथेन. हियर इज द कोल फॉर्मेशन. सी हे थोडस ग्रीनिश कलर, ब्राउनिश कलर. सो इट इज अ पीट, नंतर लिग्नाइट आणि नंतर कोल असं येणार आहे. इट विल टेक टाइम, इट विल हॅव अ प्रेशर, इट विल हॅव अन हीट. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कोल. थँक्यू.